Okay, so in this video we're going to show you how to go from a folded part like this that we've created to creating a flat pattern of this part, and finally to exporting a DXF file of the folded part, of the flattened part. So to begin, we're going to come up here, we'll make sure we're on our Sheetmetal tab, and you can see there's a button here, Create Flat Pattern. So we click that, and it's asking me to select a stationary face, so I want to select this top face here. Then I click OK, and Fusion will then create a flat pattern, and you can see the bend lines are highlighted in a kind of a turquoise color. So this is our flat pattern. If we want to just finish flat pattern, we'll come back to our folded part. If you wanted to go back into the flat pattern view, you can see here on the top left, you can see the word flat pattern. So we just, on the little button beside that, click the button and it will reactivate the view of the flat pattern. So while we're in the flat pattern view, we can export the DXF. So when we're looking at it from a flattened view, you can see there's an extra button in here on top, export flat pattern as DXF. So basically you just hit this button, hit OK, name what we want to call the DXF. So it's sample part 1, and hit save. And this will basically generate a DXF file which can be used in a CAM software such as Autodesk or SheetCam or whatever other CAM software you've got on your machine.